Okay, so today I'm going to show you how to make the quickest and easiest hand soap, foaming hand soap. And you can do this by yourself, and it's very easy, and you can get any flavor and stuff you want, even color too if you want. But I'm going to show you the basics so we can make this video really fast. And basically you just see all those ingredients right there. You can get regular dish soap too. This soap will work, but remember with this soap, okay, let's say if you get some cheap soap like this, if you get the cheap dish soap, just remember this soap is a little harsh, so you have to put a little extra glycerin in there, okay? If you have baby shampoo or even pet shampoo, but pet shampoo is kind of expensive, I would suggest you to get baby shampoo. That's pretty good for your hands. Bubble bath, any type of bubble bath, what they're doing is that they put extra cocamidopropyl in there to make it really a lot of bubbles, and that's what we need. So this here is only $2.99, and if you make it, it would last you for a long time. Trust me, it'll be a long time. My grandmother likes the lavender, so I have that, and I like the blueberry, so that's what I'm gonna make in this video, and it's very simple. What I do is half and half, and I got hot water. You need hot water, okay? But depend on, I'm gonna span down just a little bit. Depend on the mixture, okay? Now I'm gonna leave the formula right here right now for you, and I also have the formula in the description as well if you need to revert to that. In this video I'm doing just bubble bath, okay? And the reason why bubble bath is that they suds a lot, and that's what we want. And before I go into the video, further into the video, I'm gonna show you what it comes out like. See, a lot of foams, okay? And the reason why for that is that because the thing in here is what makes the foam. So you just have to go to the dollar store, that's what I got it from, dollar store, and get one of these little foam thing, okay? And for this formula here, I am doing half and half, but if you're using other products, just remember to experiment first with less water, and then maybe add more water how you like it, okay? Because the more foam the better for some people, so just remember that. But you need hot water, and you need glycerin, because we're putting this on our hand. We need to add glycerin onto that. Baby shampoo already have glycerin in there, so you might want to add a little less, but in this case I needed to add more because they didn't have any glycerin in those, okay? If you notice, I have kid foaming bath, and then I have bubble bath, same thing. And right now it's hot, and the percentage on that is, I'll leave it on the screen right now, but I'll talk about it. As an industry standard is about 0.02 to 0.05, and as far as I see, 1 teaspoon is about 0.16, so it's almost 2. It's almost 2. So every ounce is, I would say, a little bit extra than 1 teaspoon. Okay, that would bring you to 2. That's my formula. Okay, so that's 1, and then I add a little 2. So for every 10 ounces, I add a little extra right there. Ooh, I'm out of camera, sorry. Right there, okay? Then, I just have to add my other half in, because I'm making actually 8 ounces. And yep, that's all you really need. So it's literally 4 ounces of that soap. And that's what it comes out like. Now, I added glycerin first because you want glycerin to come first, okay? So right now, every ounce, 8 ounces, I would need one, so it would be 10 ounces. So I'm a little bit over than 2.2% of glycerin. Okay? But remember, your first trial, pay attention because you want your hand to become out nice and smooth too. Because you want some of that glycerin to smoothen things out. And remember, this has to be glycerin USP, okay? And that's pure vegetable, and I got this at Walmart, okay? So please remember that. That's pretty cheap, and it'll last you a long time, just like that right there. This is for the people who likes, you know, foaming, something like this right here, that come out all foamy. Okay, and that's how you would make it, and that's how easy it is. I mean, you can't get any easier than that because I'm running out, so I'm making one today, and I have been testing that out. So now you just drop that in there and then put them. You can shake it if you want, but I think I mixed it good enough, but I'll shake it one more time. So it's really easy to make this thing. I mean, literally, look at how much foam there is in there. Literally, they're really ripping us off. I mean, imagine they sell something like this. Oh, I forgot before I go. Essential oil. You can put any essential oil in there, okay? It doesn't matter what kind of essential oil, whatever you like. Right now, because I have the blueberry, and like I said, if you want the lavender, just get the lavender scent. Get the scent that you like. That way you don't have to add anything extra to this formula. Do you know what I'm saying? So that's all you have to do, and it's a little liquidy, but the trick to that is this thing right here. But like I stated, and I'll state it one more time before I go, what you would do, if you're using soap, dish soaps or whatever, you can, yes you can. Just add glycerin into it. Add a little bit extra glycerin to it. If you're using dish soap, I would suggest to use the 0.5% one. So let's say if this right here, let's say for 8 ounces, you would have to add close to, let's say 10. Let's say doing 10, right? So close to 4 teaspoons of this in there, and that's it. Okay, and these are pretty cheap. And it'll last you a long time, and you don't have to buy it, blah, blah, blah. I mean, you can make so much of it. But anyway, I guess that's about it. I'll pump it for one more time for you and see how it comes out. Okay, and that's how it comes out. And that's all we need. Okay, look at it. That's all we need. This is what the thing is, and you're gonna see a lot in the future too. They're gonna start doing this. Why? It's because they can make it so cheap and then cheating you out. And their secret is right here and right here. Cocamidol propyl butane. That's the secret that makes the foam. And then they put SLES in it too. That's the soap part. That's a disinfectant, surfactant part. And that's it. Anyway, I hope you enjoy this video. And other than that, I guess that's about it on the video. And I hope to see you in the next video. Okay?